So you say the name.
Sunoyar.
Sunoyar. So my wife and I, we go to our local water park, and at that water park you can bring canopies and grills and different things like that. And we get a lot of compliments about this tent. It's a little sun tent, and I'm going to show you how super easy it is to put it together.
Did you hear it pop?
Lean close. You put the legs in. Better put it in, twist it.
You need to put it into those little nylon straps.
I'll twist.
Show them the nylon straps that they have to.
There's 4 of them.
See the strap
right, so
here?
there's a nylon strap. And to get this to turn, you pull it.
Ooh, I didn't get that part.
Alright, I'll show you again. Pull it to get it to fold in case one of your straps come out. Pull it like that. Same thing, all 4 of them. Like that. And bang. And it's got this piece here. You can anchor down all these corners, right? You can zip this up. It's got windows in it that'll come down.
Little pockets.
And then you got this piece here, which we kind of didn't even realize we had. Until a couple weeks ago. I thought it went over the top for rain protection. Come here real quick, let me show them how this thing hooks in. So you got like these little loops. And come over here. And so if I had this anchored down, right? It's got stakes, you know, like any tent. But if you back up and look, it creates a little bit more privacy. And then it's easy to take down. Okay. Fold that up. Come over here. You reverse it, right? You reverse the whole. Pull that. The next one. Pull it. Fold them all up. Push that one collapse back on. Grab it right here. Squeeze it. Fold up. And I always fold it into the door. And literally within just a couple minutes, you're out of there. So I have a link in the description to Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate. If you want to go and check it out, click on the link. Buy if you want to or not, you know. But it is a great little tent. We love it. Like and subscribe.